And now it's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
Hello, Sea Lion community. It's so good to see you today. We have a fantastic Sea Lion Splash waiting just for you, where we're going to recap Carnival. We're also going to talk about the great California Shakeout and introduce Red Ribbon Week. Hang on tight because it's going to be a fun one.
Get ready, Sea Lions, for this week's announcements.
Hi, I'm Chloe.
I'm Sloan.
I'm Melanie.
And I'm Aiden, and we're here to talk about earthquake safety.
If you feel an earthquake coming, it is always important to be safe.
First, you stop what you're doing.
Next, you drop to the floor.
Finally, you crawl under a desk and cover your neck.
And finally, you want to make sure that you are holding on until the earthquake is completely done. At that point, you can go ahead and calmly get out from under that desk and walk towards an exit. Be safe out there, and remember, you guys have practiced this for a long time and you know how to be cool under pressure. Well done, Sea Lions.
Let's work together to stop bullying.
Some of you came to Magaw over the course of the weekend to experience the fantastic Magaw Carnival. I had such a good time, and I wanted to share those memories with you. Check it out.
Welcome to the carnival!
So many people really enjoyed the Magaw Carnival, and I have to say, thank you so much to the entire PTA and all the family members in Seal Beach who love Magaw, who donated their time, their energy, their wonderful cakes, and everything else to make this a spectacular weekend. We couldn't do it without you. I just want to say thank you for showing up.
Inclusion, acceptance, kindness, unity day.
Hey Magaw, let's welcome Chief Gonshak from the Seal Beach Police Department as he introduces Red Ribbon Week.
Good morning. My name is Chief Phil Gonshak from the Seal Beach Police Department. On behalf of our entire city and our organization, I'd like to start by welcoming everyone to Red Ribbon Week. This year's theme is Celebrate Life and Live Drug-Free. The theme is a reminder that everyday Americans across our beautiful country make significant daily contributions to their communities by being the best that they can be because they live drug-free. So what is Red Ribbon Week? Red Ribbon Week is the ideal way for students and people in our Seal Beach community to unite and take a visible stance against drugs. Please take the pledge with me to live a life drug-free.
But what he meant to say was, my name is Phil. I want you to chill and don't take the pill that rhymes with fentanyl.
Welcome to Red Ribbon Week. Red Ribbon Week is about making safe choices. Celebrate life and be drug-free. Just remember, say no to drugs. This week is Red Ribbon Week. On Monday, wear your favorite pajamas to school.
On Tuesday, it's Surf Day. Wear your favorite surfer gear and Hawaiian clothing.
On Wednesday, wear your favorite Magaw Spirit shirt.
On Thursday, it's Camo Day.
On Friday, it's Sports Day. Let's all make good choices during Red Ribbon Week. Bye!
There you have it, Magaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye.